Practice session task. 1. Prompt the user to enter the first number. 2. Read and store the user's input for the first number. 3. Prompt the user to enter the second number. 4. Read and store the user's input for the second number. 5. Compare the two numbers and determine which one is greater. Note: use if statements. Pause the video and take your time to solve the task. Here is my solution. Before we begin, it's important to note that the examples used in this tutorial are arbitrary and can be replaced. Feel free to experiment with different values, prompts and variables to test the script and better understand its functionality. Let's start by prompting the user to enter the first number. We'll use io.write to display a message asking for input. Now, we'll read the user's input for the first number using io.read and store it in a variable. Next, we'll prompt the user to enter the second number in a similar manner as before. We'll read the user's input for the second number and store it in another variable. Now that we have both numbers, let's compare them to determine which one is greater. We'll use if statements for this. Now, let's test all possible scenarios to ensure our script works correctly. We'll test cases where the first number is greater, the second number is greater, and when both numbers are equal. In conclusion, we've successfully created a Lua script that prompts the user to enter two numbers and determines which one is greater.